Next up is Mad Hat. Congratulations. Thank you. I'm ready to start my career.
You sure about that?
Did you hear that? Hear what? Oh, nothing. Never mind. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I've applied to like thousands of jobs. I'm just not hearing back from anything. Are you applying to jobs you're qualified for? Oh, for sure, dude. I meet all of the requirements of the job description.
You sure about that?
Okay, I know you heard that too. Well, thank you so much for applying. We're gonna have to go with someone else though. You're clearly very underqualified and we're not entirely sure why you even applied in the first place. But I meet all the job requirements in the description.
You sure about that?
Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Oh, hey, could I get a number 3?
Would you like to make it an extra large meal?
No, that's okay. I don't need
You
that.
sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
It's definitely number
You
6.
sure about that?
There's only 3 people.
You
Oh,
sure about that? You sure
it's
about that?
Definitely number 3.
You sure about that?
Is it the red
You
line?
sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
Fuck this. I'm going back to school.